Good morning, everybody. We're over here in Mount Vernon, Washington, at a little man-made duck pond. It's that time of year that they have little ducklings hatching. Um, there's also a couple bald eagles that, oh, you can't see them over the building here, but a couple bald eagles come down and try to swoop the babies up. Uh, it just happened like just 2 minutes before I started filming. Oh no, that's oh, wait a minute. No, that's looks like a hawk or something. Oh, yeah, here it comes. Here it comes. This is a hawk. He's trying to swoop down and get the ducklings. See him? He's circling. He's circling right now, trying to get the best dive in to grab one. But the mama ducks and the daddy ducks are really protective. So when they start swooping down, they'll start going off on them to keep them, to deter them from uh, coming down and getting their little babies. You see the little babies? Oh, that guy can't hear me. And there's a couple finches around here. Um, Black finches with a really bright reddish orange. See it right there? And the branch. Beautiful little birds. Oh, here we go. Oh, no, that's seagulls. Okay, there goes the finch. That was a big one, too. Okay, let's get back down to the ducks here. There's a couple mallards. Beautiful mallards. Look at those. They're just so beautiful. And then we come down here. Me and my dog Boo will show you. Boo, come and say hi to the camera. Boo, come and look. He gets perturbed because he's a little jealous terrier. My little rat terrier. He's so jealous of anybody that gets any attention from me besides him. Boo, come here, Boo. Look, see, he's totally shining me off. Boo, come here, Boo. Okay. All right, let's go see if we can find the little babies. The little babies are around here somewhere. We'll see if we can find them. Oh, there's a couple of seagulls. Let's see if we can find them. Oh, here's a seagull. Not that you guys want to see a seagull, but he landed next to me, so I feed them too, obviously. Well, they basically take stuff from the duckies, but they got to eat too. Oh, is that the little babies over there? Oh, he's giving them popcorn. Hmm. Oh, sorry guys, I'm trying to get something decent on the screen for you besides nothing. Oh, there's a couple little babies over there. You can't really see them. A gentleman was over there giving them some stuff to eat. Oh, there you go. See, seagulls. Seagulls are total scavengers. Oh, that little pigeon. Oh, pigeon. Here we go. Here comes the live ones. Here we go. Mama and Papa just arrived. Hi. Meh, 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 meh. Meow, meow, meow. Look at how close they're getting to me. Hi, guys. Good morning. Good morning. What's happening? You guys got some beautiful babies coming our way? Huh? You guys doing such a good job. Look at Boo. Boo's down here looking at him. And they're right here, just 10 feet away from me. Now they're going back over to the little pile of food. Hopefully the seagulls don't jump in on it. There's a pigeon over there eating. So obviously there's ducks, male and female, pigeons, finches, and seagulls. Oh, obviously hawks and eagles. I'm going to make another video. I'll go around the back here. Behind this big building, there's some big trees, and that's where the eagles have perched. And they've been mating and feeding, uh, obviously on the little ducks, but there's also rabbits everywhere around here. So anyway, I just thought I'd give you a nice little video of the ducks over here in Mount Vernon, Washington. Papa OG, have a good day. God bless.